Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the best outdoor furniture sets of the year, the Vongrasig 5-piece patio furniture set. If you're planning to upgrade your garden, porch, or backyard this season, this elegant rattan set might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's start with the design and material quality. The Vongrasig 5-piece set is crafted with premium all-weather PE rattan, known for being both durable and stylish. It's hand-woven over a strong steel frame, ensuring excellent stability and long-term resistance against sun, rain, and temperature changes. That means no fading, no cracking, and no rusting even after extended outdoor use. Now, about comfort, because that's where this set truly shines. You get extra thick, high-resilience cushions that are soft yet supportive, providing incredible comfort whether you're lounging alone or entertaining guests. The beige cushions perfectly complement the woven rattan, giving your space that modern yet cozy aesthetic that looks straight out of a home decor magazine. The package includes 2 corner sofas, 1 armless sofa, 1 ottoman, and a tempered glass coffee table. This modular design means you can easily rearrange the sections to suit your space, whether it's a U-shape for conversation, an L-shape for compact areas, or a long line setup for lounging. Pause for realistic transition sound effect. The tempered glass table adds elegance while being easy to clean and stable enough for snacks, drinks, or even a laptop if you like working outdoors. One of my favorite parts, the removable cushion covers, they're zippered and washable, making maintenance super easy. So if you have kids or host a lot of outdoor gatherings, cleaning is no problem at all. Installation is straightforward with all tools and clear instructions included. Even if you're not handy, you can assemble it within an hour or two. And when it comes to practicality, this set is great for balconies, gardens, patios, poolside areas, and sunrooms. You can use it for family dinners, morning coffee, or even as an outdoor workspace. Soft ambient pause. To sum it up, the Vongrasig 5-piece patio furniture set offers the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and durability. It's an affordable way to transform your outdoor living space into a stylish retreat. Hand pointing right by on Amazon, link below in the description. Outro music fades out. Disclosure: as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases at no extra cost to you. Your support helps us continue delivering high-quality reviews and recommendations. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the best outdoor furniture sets of